Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question is non-polar molecules are. So we need to tell what are the non-polar molecules out of these options. So सबसे पहले यहाँ पे concept को समझते हैं. So the concept behind this question is a compound is only known as non-polar when the dipole moment of this compound is going to be 0. So when the dipole moment is 0, so we will say that it is a non-polar compound. And if dipole moment is not is equal to 0, so we can say that it is a polar compound. So we will draw the structure for each and every option. So first of all we will draw for the first option. So सबसे पहला है हमारे पास CH4 that is methane. तो CH4 का हमारे पास जो यहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चर होता है that is carbon at the center and we have a one hydrogen on the above part and like this. So we will be having a tetrahedral structure for the carbon where one hydrogen is above the plane, one hydrogen is below the plane. So as we can say that in the tetrahedral structure, since it is having a sp3 hybridization which is having a tetrahedral structure, so in the all cases we can say that the dipole moment are going to cancel out each other because they are basically symmetrical to each everyone. So सारे के सारे का यहाँ पे हमारा dipole moment कार्बन की ओर को होगा and we can see यहाँ पे they are going to cancel out each other, so mu is going to be 0 in this case. So we can say that it is a non-polar compound or non-polar molecule. So the first option is the correct one. Then coming to the second option, which is saying that C2F2. In case of C2F2, as we can see, the carbon is going to form the 2 pi bond, that means 2 pi bond with each other. So यहाँ पे हमारा जो structure बनेगा that is like carbon is going to form 1 sigma and 2 pi bond with other carbon and they are just going to connect to fluorine. So in this case also we can say in the central atom carbon we are not having any lone pair, so we can say that the dipole moment is going to be towards fluorine in this side as well as in this side and it is going to cancel out each other, so we can say that the mu is again coming out to be 0. So the second option is also a non-polar molecule. So option number B is also correct. Coming to option number C, that is C2F4. So in the case of C2F4 we can again see it is having some structure like we will be having 2 carbon which are connected by 1 sigma 1 pi bond and 2 fluorine will be there like this. So these 2 fluorines are going to be one is going to be below the plane and one is going to be above the plane. Similarly on this side we will be having the same pattern, one will be above the plane and one will be below the plane. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास अगर देखा जाएगा तो हमारे पास अगर हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो ये जो 4 फ्लोरीन है, these 4 फ्लोरीन्स आर बेसिकली एग्जिस्टिंग इन द सेम प्लेन. तो यहाँ पे सेम प्लेन के अंदर आ रहा है और यहाँ पे अगर डाइपोल मोमेंट देखा जाए हर किसी का फ्लोरीन की ओर को है, तो फ्लोरीन की वजह से और को होने की वजह से और ये सिमेट्रिकल स्ट्रक्चर होने की वजह से यहाँ पे हमारा जो नेट डाइपोल मोमेंट आएगा फिर से दैट इज गोइंग टू बी अगेन 0 because they are going to cancel out each other, so it is again a non-polar compound. So option number C is also correct. Coming to the option number D, that is OF2. In the case of OF2 we will be having oxygen as a central atom and 2 fluorines are connected to this central atom like this. Now we are having 2 lone pair on the oxygen and due to that lone pair we are having some band type of structure and इस band structure की वजह से यहाँ पे क्या होगा हमारे पास basically as we know that जो हमारे पास डाइपोल मोमेंट है फ्लोरीन की ओर को रहेगा बिकॉज फ्लोरीन इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव, तो इनका डाइपोल मोमेंट नीचे को आएगा, जबकि यहाँ पे जो लोन पेयर है लोन पेयर का जो हमारे पास डाइपोल मोमेंट है वो ऊपर को रहेगा. सो दैट इज ड्यू टू दैट द म्यू इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी 0, so that's why the last option is the polar compound. So basically the correct answer for this question is option number A, option number B as well as option number C. So I hope you understood it well. Thank you.